Hello, this is Brian Rowe with Mythic MTG Tech doing a pack opening today. It is the Clash Pack Fate and Fury. Clash packs are alternating with event decks every other set. This is a new product from Wizards of the Coast. I'm pretty excited about it. I really like the value that is in this particular pack, and I look forward to opening it up here. Let's get it open. I'm back here opening a Clash pack. The battery on my camera just died, so I started the opening, but we're going to continue here. Very nice. Comes with 2 decks. Get to the decks last. A lot of extra cardboard to make it large. Divider, a deck box that will hold both the decks. I think I'd actually rather have 2 deck boxes, but this is still not bad. Got the 2-player Clash pack instructions here. How to play each of the decks, the list of the cards in the deck, and then the build your own deck. I believe this is the concept to take the 2 decks, put them together into a single, more competitive deck. Magic Rules reference card. Excellent. Let's get into the fun stuff now. Let's start with the blue deck here. There we go. We got a nice focus there. Prognostic Sphinx. Prophet of Kruphix, brand new foil. This is just beautiful. Really, really nice. Long term, this may be one of the 2 or 3 most valuable cards out of this particular pack. Temple of Mastery with new artwork, foil. Very, very nice. Hypnotic Siren. I'm going to list all the cards as we go through here. A chance to see what we've got. I'm going to stop on anything that I think is just amazing. Omenspeaker is a very solid playable card. There's some people who tried Kiora's Follower. I am not overly happy with it. Thassa's Emissary is a great draft card. And then we've got the land here. Oh, and sideboard. 4 spells, negates, pin to the earth. Voyage's End, Divination, Griptide. Yep, these are just the spells at the end. So these are 2 60-card decks, no sideboards. Let's move on to the green deck here. Hydra Broodmaster, Font of Fertility, Fainted Intervention. Ooh, and then this is the big card in here. Courser of Kruphix. I know a lot of people who stopped picking up coursers because it's in this set. The price has definitely dropped from about 18 down to about 10, but this is a modern, playable, wonderful, powerful card. Think about this the same way as when Stoneforge Mystic was put into an event deck as a 2 of. Price dropped way down. And then long term, now Stoneforge is back over $20 again. Courser, now is the time to pick up Courser with the prices dropping currently. Really wonderful card. It will be playable long term in Modern. Oh, Genesis Hydra is in here. Did not realize that. This is probably one of my favorite cards in the new set. I think it is definitely undervalued currently. Seen some people playing it in Devotion-style decks and doing some crazy things with it. I like this card. This is one to watch. Shrine to Nyx. It's going to be the last major printing, I think, of Shrine to Nyx for a while. A wonderful card that has potential to be playable in Modern and will be an EDH favorite for years to come. Elvish Mystics. 4 Elvish Mystics. That's nice. Especially as a new player, it gives you what you need to really build a deck. Acclamation Sage. Wonderful uncommon. Is really starting to replace the Sliver that has the same effect, whose name has just left my mind currently. I'll post it. Cyclops is solid. Okay, got the lands. We're heading on to spells here. Lightning Strikes, Plummets, and Boulder Fall. Now, let's pull out what the best cards in this are. This is retailing about $25 currently. A very, very nice set. I am very happy with it. Between these 6 cards, you definitely get your value. The Sphinx has potential to be good after rotation. I'm going to be watching it closely. Genesis Hydra and Courser are probably both going to be strong cards in Standard, and Courser and Shrine also have potential to break into Modern and be very good in Modern. And then the Prophet here, it's going to take a while for her to pick up in value, but she is just an amazing card in the EDH. Very happy with this set overall. I actually like this format of 2 playable decks with 6 new artwork foils, much better than the event decks. I like that they've also got a guide so that you can kind of combine the decks and make one more competitive deck. Wonderful job, Wizards. Well done on this set. I may have to pick up another one of these just because of the Courser and the very nice foils that are in here.
Thanks. This has been Brian Rowe with Mythic MTG Tech with a Clash Pack opening.